Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2017 Mitsubishi Triton Sports Edition. Now starting at the front, you can actually see that it has already been very well kitted out for you, so it's going to save you a lot of money on extras, but great value nonetheless. So at the front end, as you can clearly see, you have got that big ARB Bullbar just protecting the whole front, and it is a very tough look, especially on the GLS Sports Edition. We've also got the LED bar attached to the Bullbar, so great for when you are going off-roading and there are no other sources of light around. You've also got the bonnet protector just in there just to keep the stone chips away from the front of your bonnet. Now the GLS Sports Edition is an incredible look. It has got the titanium paintwork plus the black accessories. Is an incredible looking Triton. Along the side you've got the Safari Snorkel on the side here just to increase your airflow. You've got the black fender flares and those black steel wheels, which once again does look incredible against the titanium paintwork. If you have a look just inside the guard as well, you'll also notice the teal colored springs. So it has got a Dobinsons Lift Kit, so great ground clearance on this if you did want to take it off-roading. Now the side mirrors in the car are chrome along with the door handles, and when you unlock it your mirrors do fold out, so it is a great way to keep your mirrors protected. On the inside you will notice the interior condition is very well looked after, especially for a car that has been set up for off-roading. You have got great condition on the seat bolsters. You've even got a black side step down here to help you get in and out. Now guys, something I would highly recommend is do speak to us about the premium window tint, because those windows are not tinted. That is privacy glass on the back, but if you would like the UV benefits and the protection benefits of the tint, we have got some premium options there. Now paintwork, if you do keep an eye on it all the way through the car, is very consistent and in very good condition for a car this well set up. That next wheel once again in great condition, and those Thompson tires have plenty of tread left in them as well. On the top here you have also got the canopy fitted with the sorry, those windows are locked, but you have got the canopy with the pop-up windows on either side, which is awesome and a great way to just store anything extra you need in the back. If we quickly open this up, just unlock the back portion of the canopy. As you can see in the back end you have got that dual battery set up plus the extra wiring if you need it, and that tub liner is just going to keep the tub underneath it nice and protected, so very well set up once again. Closing that back up, as you can see you have also got the tow bar down there if you did want to tow a trailer or a caravan or anything. Tritons are notorious for their towing capabilities, so please feel free to ask us if you didn't want any more advice on towing. Now on this side of the vehicle, the diesel fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, so that is great to note. And being a Triton, you can actually put your you can actually use the high flow diesel, so you don't have to stand at that diesel pump for too long. Paintwork along this side is just as consistent as the other side. Great condition on this side as well. If I am being super picky, we'll just come back here. There is one slight scuff there, but nothing really too inconsistent with the age of the vehicle. Up the top you have got your Wanderer camping awning, so great setup even on top of the vehicle with the awning and the Rhino rack roof rack. So as I said guys, this car is pretty much already set up to take you wherever you need to, so do take advantage of how incredible the value of this vehicle is. Once again, great condition on those Thompson tires as well, so high grade all-terrain tire on this vehicle. What we're going to do now is actually pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre turbo diesel engine, and it has got a 6-speed manual gearbox as well, so once again great setup for if you are going off-roading. ANCAP safety rating, always important to know when you are buying a new car, is 5 stars, and it has actually got 7 airbags. Now the power output from the engine is 133 kilowatts with a torque rating of a massive 430 Newton meters, so great torque there if you did want to tow anything. The diesel fuel tank holds about 75 litres, giving you a combined fuel consumption of about 7.2 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance of about 1,042 kilometers from the full tank. Taking a look inside the Triton now, on the driver's side door you do get all your power window controls. On the right hand side of the steering wheel here you've got the headlight adjuster, so you can actually change the angle of your headlights. You've also got the toggles for your power mirrors, plus a button there to actually let you manually fold the mirrors in. There is your traction control on the right hand side here as well, and on the right hand stalk you've got your fog lights, high beams, indicators and headlight controls. On the left hand side here you've got all your washer and wiper controls. Now the Sports Edition does get a very nice leather wrap steering wheel, so very comfortable design, and it is a very comfortable wheel and in great condition as well. On the right hand side you do get speed limiter and cruise control settings, and on the left all your media and hands-free functions. Now moving on into the center display, I'm just going to pop it into reverse quickly to show you the nice reverse camera you do get. So as you can see, it has got the tow bar in that reverse camera, so very easy if you are backing up to a trailer. This head unit here does get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so if you plug your phone in with a USB, it will run Google Maps off your navigation, plus all your custom settings for your music and phone. Has also got AM and FM radio for those of you who still like the classic radio. Down the bottom, dual zone climate control, so if you have a fussy passenger, you can set their own individual temperature and you can have your own as well. Down the bottom here you've got your rear diff lock, the button for your LED light bar, so that is tied into your high beams. You've also got the the USB port, a 12-volt socket there, and just under here another USB and HDMI input. Now the shifter in the Tritons is actually a very comfortable gearbox, and nice throws, easy to find your gears, and nice long gears as well, so very easy to use. Back here you've got the Super Select 4-wheel drive system. If you want to know how that works, please ask us when you come in to look at the car. Got a hard handbrake here and two cup holders, and if we open up that center console, there are two components to it. So the top is a tray for you to keep your wallet or phone while you're driving, just in there more storage with a 12-volt socket. Now, panning around the cabin quickly, you will notice that the vehicle is actually in great condition, so very well looked after on the inside here. And guys, just quickly, I am going to open up the service books for you and show you just how incredible the service history on this vehicle is. So all the way through its life, it has had consistent service history, which is something we'd love to see, especially on a car that is this well set up. What we're going to do now, guys, is actually jump outside and wrap up the video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful Triton. As you can see, it is an incredible setup, and I cannot stress just how well it has been looked after as well. Paintwork from front to back does present really well, so something we're going to talk to you about, and I think you should take advantage of, is the glass coat, because with a lifetime warranty on your paintwork, why would you not want to protect your new investment? The other thing we're going to discuss with you, especially if you are planning on taking this off-road and putting it through its paces, is the premium mechanical protection plan. Gives you another 5 years of cover on top of your existing new car warranty, up to 200,000 kilometers, unlimited claims, $3,600 per claim, and 10 years of premium nationwide roadside assistance as well. So it is a great way to keep your car protected and know that you are covered, especially when you are doing some serious off-roading. If you have any questions about those plans and what they offer, please don't hesitate to ask us. And if you are looking to finance this vehicle at all, have a chat to Julie or Mario, our business managers. They'd love to walk you through your finance options and tailor a package to suit your needs, work in all those protective extras for you as well, and get you into your new Triton ASAP. Now, before I go, you also need to look at our Google reviews. 4.8 stars and over 1,100 reviews from customers all over the country. It is a great way to know that you are dealing with the right dealership and buying a great quality vehicle. If you have any questions, the number to dial is 99070 555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.